Welcome to the first chapter of our journey to mastering English. Today, we embark on an exciting adventure that combines the joy of music with the challenge of learning a new language. Today, we're tuning into an often overlooked yet incredibly effective method, learning English through music. This approach not only makes learning fun, but also deeply engaging. Imagine this: you're listening to your favorite song. The rhythm captivates you, and the words start to resonate. The melody is catchy, and the lyrics are slowly but surely becoming clearer. Each verse brings you closer to understanding and appreciating the language. This isn't just entertainment, it's education in disguise. You're absorbing new vocabulary and phrases without even realizing it. Choosing the right songs is crucial. The selection can make or break your learning experience. Opt for tracks with clear, slow vocals. This will help you catch every word and understand the context better. Genres like pop, folk, and acoustic often have straightforward lyrics that are easy to follow. These genres are perfect for beginners. Once you've picked your song, the next step is understanding the lyrics. This is where the real learning begins. Use online resources to look up the words and their meanings. This will help you build your vocabulary and comprehension. Sing along, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Singing helps reinforce memory and pronunciation. This is your practice ground. Finally, focus on pronunciation. Pay attention to how words are pronounced and try to replicate them. Listen closely and try to mimic the accent and intonation of the singer. This will improve your speaking skills significantly. Over time, this practice will improve your speaking skills and boost your confidence. You'll find yourself speaking more naturally and fluently. So, put on those headphones, press play, and let the music guide you on your path to fluency. Embrace this enjoyable method and watch your English skills soar. Scene 2. Introduction and methods for learning English. Next, let's explore how watching movies can be a fun and effective way to learn English. It's not just about entertainment, it's about immersing yourself in the language. Imagine this: you're watching a captivating film, and the characters are engaging in lively conversations. These dialogues are filled with everyday expressions and idioms. This isn't just entertainment, it's a window into real-life language use. You get to hear how native speakers interact, their accents, and their intonations. First, selecting the right movies is essential. The type of movie you choose can greatly impact your learning experience. Choose films that match your current level of English. This will ensure that you can follow along without getting too frustrated. For beginners, animated movies or family films often have simpler dialogue. These genres are great for picking up basic vocabulary and sentence structures. As you advance, you can move on to more complex genres like drama or science fiction. These films often have richer vocabulary and more intricate plots. Second, make use of subtitles. They can be a powerful tool in your learning arsenal. Start with subtitles in your native language to get the gist of the story. This helps you understand the context and follow the plot. Gradually switch to English subtitles to improve your reading and listening skills simultaneously. This will help you connect spoken words with their written forms. Eventually, try watching without any subtitles for a real challenge. This will test your comprehension and listening abilities. Lastly, focus on picking up new vocabulary. Movies are a treasure trove of new words and phrases. Keep a notebook handy to jot down unfamiliar words and phrases. This will help you remember and review them later. Look them up later and try to use them in your daily conversations. This practice will make the new vocabulary stick. This active engagement will help reinforce your learning. The more you use the new words, the more natural they will become. So grab some popcorn, sit back, and let the magic of movies enhance your English learning journey. Enjoy the process and have fun while learning. Finally, we'll look at other creative ideas for learning English. These methods are designed to make the process enjoyable and engaging, ensuring that you stay motivated throughout your language learning journey. Imagine turning your language learning into a game. This approach can make studying feel less like a chore and more like a fun activity you look forward to. There are numerous language games designed to make learning fun and interactive. From board games like Scrabble to interactive classroom activities, these games can significantly enhance your vocabulary and grammar skills. Apps like Duolingo and Memrise offer gamified experiences that reward you as you progress. These apps use points, levels, and rewards to keep you engaged and motivated. Next, consider using language learning apps. These apps are packed with features that cater to different learning styles, making them a versatile tool for anyone. These apps are designed to fit into your daily routine, offering bite-sized lessons that you can complete anytime, anywhere. Whether you're on the bus, in a coffee shop, or at home, you can always find a moment to learn. They often include speaking, listening, reading, and writing exercises to give you a well-rounded learning experience. This comprehensive approach ensures that you develop all the necessary language skills. Additionally, practicing with friends can be incredibly beneficial. It adds a social element to your learning, making it more enjoyable and less isolating. Form a study group or find a language exchange partner. This not only helps you stay accountable, but also provides real-time feedback and support. This not only makes learning more social, but also gives you the chance to practice speaking in a real-world context. Real-world practice is crucial for gaining confidence and fluency. So, whether you're playing games, using apps, or practicing with friends, there are countless creative ways to make learning English an enjoyable and effective experience. The key is to find what works best for you and stick with it. Keep exploring, stay motivated, and watch your language skills flourish. With dedication and the right tools, you'll be speaking English confidently in no time. Welcome! In this scene, we'll explore some fun and engaging ways for beginners to learn English. We'll cover steps that make the process enjoyable, like listening to music, watching movies, and other creative ideas. Let's dive in and make learning English an exciting adventure.